Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Sani from MyQuick Idea. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your website images. Website image optimization is very necessary because search engine doesn't understand the images, so it is up to you to make them understand about your website images. And the second reason is the Google algorithm gives more value to user experience, and the users are more impatient now these days. They can retain the attention on any piece of content or any images for only for 3 seconds. So if your site doesn't load on in 3 seconds, they went off, or your computer can win the game. So it is very necessary to optimize your images. If you are using the larger images on your website, they can surely will increase your loading time. Okay, so I'm gonna talking about some amazing tips that will help you to optimize your blog in a quicker way. So stay watching and learn how to quickly optimize your website images. The first tip is reduce image size. Okay, image size matters a lot, as I told you before that uh, the larger images increases the loading time. So you should optimize images in your blog or website, and there are many tools available online. So they what you can use to optimize your images. Okay, so first tool is reduce images, and second is JPEG optimizer, and third one is teeny png. I'm using teeny png. It is amazing tool to reduce any image size. Okay, another thing you should keep in mind that if you have a limited size on your website for image, then you shouldn't go after a larger size. Like you are using 500 width image on your website. Okay, I will get my words. Like I am talking, like if a image is covering 500 width in your website, then you shouldn't go after a image that have 3000 pixel size. Okay, it won't be good for your website, and it will also reduce loading time. Okay, loading time in it will cover the larger space. It will be higher in size, so it will definitely increase the loading time. So okay, the next option is use keyword optimized file names. Yes, it is very necessary because Google spiders do not understand the images. So it's your responsibility to make them understand about your site images. For this sake, you can use keyword optimized names for your all images. Okay, like you got a name keyword analyze tool. It's a descriptive name, and it will help Google crawlers to understand what the image is all about. Okay, one more thing I want to say, that don't use like creepy names, image 15465, and it won't let a user know what the image is all about, and as well as the Google spiders won't understand this kind of image names. You can easily say, as a human being, you can understand this one easily, and it won't get you any mean. Okay, it is simple. The next point is must have keyword optimized alt text. Okay, alt text actually helps Google crawlers to understand the images. Okay, they use alt tag to understand the what you want to say, what the images relate to. So now you should use alt tag. Don't no, you shouldn't leave it blank. Always use a descriptive name with having a keyword. Optimize your alt text with a keyword. It is best SEO practice to in image optimization. Sorry. Okay. Uh, Let me tell you about alt tag. We use it image tag in like we start image tag, and it is a attribute of image tag, right? The next point is add an image sitemap. Like you are using a lots of images on your website, so it become necessary to optimize them. So I would recommend you to use a separate sitemap for your images. If you are using lots of it should be applied when you are using lots of images on your website. Otherwise there is no need to submit a separate sitemap to webmaster. Okay, there are many tools, but I just collected three for you. These are three WordPress plugin. Okay, WordPress MB sitemap. Yeah, these all are same. Sorry. Okay, there is one. It is one that will help you to generate a sitemap for your site images. Use captions. Captions help. Captions, what we call caption. Caption is the name that we that we place below each images. Okay, it is one sentence. One sentence. It usually contains one sentence that describe what is the image is all about. Okay, so it is a better practice. If a user come on your website and see the name, then he or she can easily understand what what is image, and can relate it to your post very easily. Okay, the second point is use compressed image types. Yes, it is very important point. You should use JPG or PNG format because they are lightweight and they get and easy to load in your website. I use PNG on my website, on my blog, because it takes less space and loads very fast. The next one is hide images on mobile. Like if you are using a heavy image on your blog or website, then and it is not optimized for mobile devices, then it won't be good for your website SEO. Then so you should optimize. You should either you optimize that image according to your mobile devices, or you can just remove that for mobile devices. Okay, it won't be good for mobile because it will take longer than usual for loading that image, that heavy image. Okay, the huge image sources. I have seen people using different images for same purpose. Like you wrote a post, or you wrote a post. Okay, you wrote a post and you use the images, and another day you wrote one more post, and you which is related to the same topic, and you can use the same image that you have used in the prior post. Okay, so then you should use the same image in the second. You are not required to upload another image which is similar to the prior post. Okay, so if both posts can have same same image, then you are not required to upload the similar image again and again. Then the next option is use hyphens not underscores. Yes, it is very important point. You should use hyphens like this kind of format for image. URL is very good. It is SEO friendly, but if you use underscore, it won't help you in SEO. Otherwise, it will create a barricade for crawlers to understand it. So avoid underscore every time in the image name, image name, or any kind of URL. Okay. And the last point is avoid hotlinking. What is hotlinking? First of all, I would like to know you. It is an image, and there is another website that want to use this image, so they would like to link this image. So obviously it will increase my blog's loading time. So your blog's resources are being used by someone else, so it will increase the loading time of your blog. So you should avoid it. Always try to off the linking. You should try that people won't get able to link to your image easily. It will help you to save your website resources. Okay. That's all. So these were the simple image optimization tips. If you like this, then please share it on different social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Quick Idea. Thanks for watching.